viewers, today I have also come with a new topic as my everyday routine. So today, this topic is one of the interesting topic. So today we will know about fireflies. So you are thinking now, what is fireflies? And do you know that in the night sky, we see many secondary insects which become lighted, which look so much beautiful, and which we everything we will catch on. So these are called the fireflies. So do you know that these fireflies are one of the one of the beautiful things in the world, because it get a beautiful light like the display of mobile. So do you know that every year in the world, you can, when you go any kind of place, then you can see fireflies. Every countries of the world has fireflies, but the species is, there is a difference between species. So do you know that there are about 2000 species of fireflies in the world? Every year many also discovered, every year at least one, so that all the fireflies are collected from the world. And do you know that the fireflies keep our environment beautiful by lighted. There was an ancient book which was written for the fireflies in Chinese. Some of the Chinese person also do that. That when any lights are off in China, there are big fireflies. So they try to collect these fireflies, and then they make lighted the road. So these all are funny. So do you know that all the fireflies has no only same color? In the Bangladesh, we see only one color, that is parrot color, means parrot green color. But there are also another color maybe happen. So this is not unlimited, and no one person know that from which days these fireflies come in the world. We only know that fireflies. So do you know that the fireflies, one of the firefly of the fossil has gotten from a place which is old as 30 million years ago. This is the oldest fossil of fireflies which has gotten in the world. And by that always, do you know that the fireflies also lay eggs for their generation. So these fireflies are very beautiful. And do you know that one of the generation change, that is before 30 million ago years, then the fireflies were big in shape and also has a lot of light in its body. It has so much strong. But now the size of the fireflies are little, and for this reason now we sometimes take fireflies. But before some days ago, it wasn't these things. The fireflies got little day by day. Do you know that the problem is that every year the fireflies population is become decreased? It's bad. So we should not kill them, and we should not cut trees, because they also live in the trees, in many branches of the trees. So that all are important things for them. Do you know that for cutting down the trees, a lot of kind of animal are become homeless? So for this reason, we shouldn't do that. And now we will know about that more things of the fireflies. Every year, many person see fireflies, but some of them kill that. So that is the most problem for the decreation of the fireflies. So we should not do that. It is an worm which has a lot of lights in his body. It is like the radium. You know that I have talked about radium in a lot of days ago. There is a video which I given about radium. So this kind of things are also found in the fireflies, because they have the same color like that. Do you know that the fireflies attract another little insects than them because they eat that. So for this reason, they attract them and kill them after attracting them. They also attract human, but when human try to catch them, gone. So this is the problem. And fireflies has a beautiful scenery, and don't kill that. I have also talked about that. Don't kill. And also I talk about that. That is, the fireflies always like their own, not the another species of animal or insects, because they can face that this is another kind of insect. They can easily understand that, but some of the another animals cannot understand. And do you know that the fireflies does not go so much up, they only fly in the down places. And in the China, the firefly doesn't, it's banned to kill the fireflies. It is very famous. It is warm in China, in Japan, and another kind of places, North America, South America, etc. So that all things are gotten about fireflies. And do you know that in the Bangladesh there is also a kind of fireflies which is shape is little and has a lot of light and so much beautiful, and which color is green. So the fireflies lays about 120 eggs for the generation each of fireflies. Do you know that every year for the decreasing, the man doesn't clean that, because some days ago I have talked about why they are become decreased, but now the decreasing of them are become so much decreased because the people has become careful to conserve the natural resources. Do you know that the animal are also one kind of natural resource? And another sunlight, trees, soil, these all are natural resources. So today we have known about a lot of things about fireflies. And do you know that we have only known about the species which is gotten in only our country, but in another country this species can be changed. Because do you know that it takes time to that for hatching then their eggs, that is when the egg broke, then the fireflies come. But there is the differences between time. Well, in which country there is hot, there is maybe 27 days for this work, and also 30 days. But in the cold place, 70 or not 70, 47 or 50 days can be taken. Do you know that these fireflies are also keeping our environment cool, making a beautiful place? And we have there is uncountable poems about fireflies because it's a beautiful thing. So many of the poeters write a lot of poems about that. So that all is nice. And how many of you like them? You can comment. And do you know that some of the girls of the Chinese also keep them in a box, in a glass box. They make hole on that and keep them. And when they see after 1 hour or 2 hours, they change these fireflies again. I am thinking now, how does they catch this little insect? Because it's so much little and it's a beautiful thing, so we should not catch that. So, do you know that the fireflies can be in different color? And that all things, the first firefly was gotten in China. It was appeared in China, but it's limited. So, do you know that in the South America, from the 1950s, from there the problem happened. They had become disappeared. So this is the problem. So I think for the extremely coldness, So they become fair to leave that. So we have gotten this is the gift from the nature to us. So that by that only this is the topic about fireflies here. So if you want to get more vlogs like that, follow my YouTube channel. And you know that in my YouTube channel we are getting a lot of kind of things like that. And district discrimination test classes, biology classes, and a lot. Talk about many kind of matters like today. And also the things you always want that talking about interesting kind of things. And please subscribe my channel that I become more motivated to make more vlogs like that. Because every day as my everyday routine, I have make that as my day routine. So if when you are supporting me, then I become more interested to make more new vlogs like that. So by that way, which kind of vlog you want to get, comment, and then I will must try to give that. So by that always today I am stopping my vlog here. So bye. See you in the next vlog. Have a nice day.